The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Nissan Rogue with the bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima BaseLine JetStream complete roof rack system. So this consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length. Black is shown here, silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4. And for the front, base clip 179, and for the rear, base clip 203. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. Crossbars are spaced at 32 inches center to center. So a great system for cargo, kayaks, bikes, pretty much you name it. So locks are optional, but not required. Those are available separately if you want to pick those up. But anyways, this has been just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And yeah, that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.